It's a hot day. I really need some water.
I got you.
Thank you. Do I even really need 12 water bottles?
Yeah, you really do. It's a hot day. You need to stay hydrated.
But by then I won't even enjoy it anymore. It won't satisfy me. I wonder why. This is because the law of diminishing marginal utility. As the consumer purchases more of a good or service, the additional satisfaction decreases with each additional unit.
Okay, let each bottle of water cost $2. As we buy each additional bottle of water, the marginal benefit in dollars decreases with each additional unit.
I would not buy the third bottle of water because that is where marginal cost exceeds marginal benefit. I only continue to purchase until marginal benefit is equal to marginal cost.
Excuse me. How do I know if I'm maximizing marginal utility?
I know, a chicken leg. I'm just kidding. Here, let me show you.
So to calculate marginal utility, you have to subtract the previous total utility from the next one. 8 minus 0 is 8, 14 minus 8 is 6, 19 minus 14 is 5, and so on and so forth. You can continue to subtract until you find where the marginal utility meets or is less than the marginal cost. As you can see, the marginal utility increases initially and then decreases with each additional bottle you purchase. If the marginal cost is $2 per bottle, I would stop purchasing where marginal benefit meets the marginal cost. You will continue to purchase until MB is equal to MC.
In normie words, the more you purchase of a good or product, the less satisfaction you will gain from each additional unit. You will continue to purchase that product until marginal cost exceeds marginal benefit. Get it?
Yo, we should stay in the main Disneyland park all day.
No way.
Yeah, I agree. Look, if we stay in the main park all day and ride the same rides over and over again, we'd eventually stop having fun. We need to evenly distribute our time and energy to both parks to maximize our utility. Here, let me show you again.
If the main park costs $10 and we gain 30 utils from our first ride at Disney, then the marginal utility per dollar spent is 3. If we gain 10 utils from our first ride at California Adventure, where each ride is $5, then our marginal utility per dollar spent is 2. And we continue to divide the marginal utility of each unit by the price for each row. So how do we know how to divide our time? Well, if we had $40 to spend, we should choose to go to the main park 3 times and California Adventure 2 times, because that is where the marginal utility spent per dollar is equal to each other. We would have a total of 75 utils. If we made the decision like going to the main park 2 times and California Adventure 4, then we would have 68 utils, less than that of our first and better choice.
This is the utility maximization rule, where the money each consumer spends should be spent so that the marginal utility per dollar is equal to each other.
You can stop telling me this now. I'm never going to use this in real life either way.
Bro, what are you talking about? We use marginal analysis every day.
Really?
Yeah, like today I had to consider the marginal benefit versus the marginal cost of coming to school or skipping to come to Disneyland with you guys. That's opportunity cost. I hope you guys learned something today. Here's an example for you guys to try it yourselves. I'll give you a second to pause and think.
If the student had $10 and each pizza is $2 and each drink is 1, how many units of each good should they purchase to maximize their utility? If you chose 4 pizzas and 2 drinks, then you're correct. At 4 units of pizza, that would cost $8, and with 2 units of drinks, that would cost $2. You would have a total utility of 21 units.